Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow, reversing declines which took effect last week. A litre of 87 gasoline will sell for $2.56 more, while 90 gasoline will go up by $3.06. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by 25 cents. The price of kerosene will have $1.38 added. 25 cents will be added to the cost of propane. However, $3.06 will be cut from butane. The government plans to provide incentives for small businesses to use the central bank digital currency Jam-Dex. In opening the budget debate on Tuesday, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark said the first 10,000 merchants to sign up for Jam-Dex on or after April 1 will receive $25,000 in digital currency.
These are merchants who are registered as businesses and operate in industries such as restaurants, gas stations, personal care, etc., etc. And I want to announce, Madam Speaker, that the first 10,000 merchants onboarded onto Jam-Dex as of 1st of April 2023 and after will receive $25,000 of Jam-Dex upon registration and onboarding. And for that registration, they have to, provide. This is government money, so we're going to need, registration certificates of incorporation, and they'll need even a low KYC account.
Dr. Clark says there is also an incentive program for consumers.
Madam Speaker, we'll also introduce a wallet loyalty program where individuals who spend using Jam-Dex will receive 2% cash back up to $5,000 of expenditure every month, Madam Speaker. And this is an incentive that will be offered only in 2023-24.
Grace Kennedy, in partnership with the Trinidad-based Unit Trust Corporation, has launched GK Mutual Funds. CEO of Grace Kennedy Group, Don Webby, says GK Mutual Funds will start with 3 products.
The GK US Dollar Income Fund, the GK Jamaican Dollar Money Market Fund, and GK Dollar Growth and Income Fund. And together, as partners, GK and UTC will seed the funds with over $20 million.
The seeded funds are in US dollars. The minimum investment through the fund is $100 for the foreign currency instrument and 15,000 Jamaican dollars for local instruments. To the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.78. $111.65 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $183.40 for the pound, while it's costing an average $165.56 for the euro. The JSE main market lost 1,636 points today, while the junior market index declined by 3 points. Among the winners, Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, Lumber Depot, and Indus Pharma Jamaica. Losers include Palace Amusements, ISP Finance Services, CAC 2000, Carib Cement, JMMB Group 7.15% CR shares, and Lasco Financial Services. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.